Hello guys, welcome to our channel. So we are taking AI tools in Excel. We have seen many AI tools in Excel which will make our work faster. So today we are going to see one another tool in AI which is known as an add-in in AI. So let's go to Excel. So we have opened Microsoft Excel here. In Home, click on Add-ins. So this is add-ins and you can click here More add-ins. So in Excel, so you can see that the Microsoft Office store add-in store is been opened here, and we have in previous videos we have seen Wikipedia, Scriptlab, etc. So today we are going to see one another AI tool which is symbols and characters. It is here symbols and characters, and which will give you a very fast search of symbols. So let's click on add, then continue. So you will see the symbols and character will load here. So actually we also have in Home, if you go, or you can go in insert, in the general Excel we already have this symbol, inserting of symbol like this. But if you don't know, or you have to scroll much downer, so this particular pane does not give us a free movement. So you can use this. Suppose I require a formula for, or the symbol for degree, so you can type here degree and you can just give search. So you can see the degree Celsius is there, degree Fahrenheit is there, and degree is there. So if I require this degree, I can directly use in Excel. I require degree Celsius, so I will write 15 and I will just write like this. Degree Celsius is here and just type 15, so that 15 degree Celsius. If you require currency as dollar, so just write dollar, select it, you will get the symbol of dollar. Then there are 2-3 symbols of dollar like small, big, and this vertical line. Also you can change the language, which language you have to change. The default language will be English, and these subsets, like you require Arabic symbols, so these are all Arabic symbols, means this pane is already there in our Microsoft Excel, which is inbuilt. But this search will give you an easy way to directly insert the symbol in Microsoft Excel. So you can use various characters also, like suppose you take alpha. So if I write alpha here, see, I will get the symbol for alpha. Then there, these all are related to alpha. If I write gamma, so I will get the symbol for gamma. So this is the symbol for gamma. Related to gamma, all the values are there. This is also known as gamma. So in this way we can use these symbols and characters add in Microsoft Excel. Thank you all of you.